These pot sticker dumplings are delicious and easy to make. I've made it with pork and chives, but you can substitute other fillings such as chicken and prawn. Once made, they can be kept in the freezer for up to 3 months. Now here's the recipe. We'll start off by making the filling, so chop up the chives and add it to the ground pork. Then grate in a small piece of ginger. Add in a teaspoon of chicken powder, or if you don't have that, you can use a crumbled cube of chicken oxo. Add a splash of Shaoxing cooking wine. And 1 beaten egg. Give the mixture a good mix. You don't need to see me do that, so I've edited it. To make the dumplings, place the wrapper in the palm of your hand and add the mixture into the middle. Using your finger, wet the outside of the wrapper with some water. Then fold the wrapper in half. Form pleats around the outside, pinch and close the dumpling. To cook the pot stickers, I'm using a stainless steel pan. Heat it up to a high temperature before cooking. It's ready to use when you add a drop of water and the water dances around. The reason that we heat up the pan first is to prevent the pot stickers from sticking to the pan. Pot stickers that don't stick. Is that the definition of an oxymoron? Add some oil to the pan and gently cook the dumplings until their bases turn golden brown. This should only take about a minute or so because we're going to finish off the cooking by steaming. Add some water into the pan and cook for about 8 minutes with the lid on. Then serve with your favourite dipping sauce and enjoy.